Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best car window tint films on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Lexen 2-ply Premium Carbon Roll Window Tint Film. Our top pick for car window tint is Lexen's Carbon Film. It comes as a roll of film that you cut yourself to fit the exact measurements of your windows. You can customize the tint percentage with options between 5 and 50%. This roll blocks 99% of harmful UV rays, preventing the furnishings in your vehicle from fading and keeping the temperature down. Lexen 2-ply is a good tint for car owners looking for a DIY alternative to professional window tinting services. It's a helpful tool for someone just learning to apply a window tint. Choice of 5, 20, 35, 40, or 50% tint. Blocks 99% of UV rays. Scratch resistant. No radio signal interference. Nanocarbon particle technology for heat rejection. Number 2. Our second best pick is Mkbrother Uncut Roll Window Tint Film Roll. Made of non-metalized material and with 50% heat rejection, this roll from Mkbrother is an affordable option for those on a budget. The product is manufactured from dyed film and offers up to 99% protection from ultraviolet rays. This particular product has a VLT, visible light transmission, rating of just 5%, striving to give you maximum privacy and protection inside your vehicle. It comes in a nice charcoal hue too, which looks pretty stylish if you were to ask us. Although you have to cut it yourself, unlike some of the other options on this list that come pre-cut for you, it's still relatively easy to install. The makers also claim it's scratch resistant, so you're likely to maintain that sleek, quality look for quite a while. For those of who are adamant on getting this option because they're on a tight budget, you may struggle to get the hang of things at first, particularly as you'll need to cut out the film yourself, but keep at it, you'll get the hang of it soon enough. Number 3. Our third best pick is Lexen 2-ply Premium Carbon Roll Window Tint Film. Here's another great product from Lexen, this time in a roll, rather than pre-cut. The Lexen 2-ply Premium Carbon Window Tint Film is a quality product which, again, comes in a range of various film shades you can choose from. A strong point to this option is that you're almost guaranteed a color-stable window tint without the fear of fading. Built with a particle collection film that contains carbon pigments, heat resistance is top-notch, which further aids a cooler temperature. Another one of our favorite things about this? If you have more than one vehicle you're getting tinted, it's a great money-saving buy, as one roll is enough to work on 3 or 4 average-sized cars. Remember to measure all your windows before ordering, though, to ensure that 20 inches is wide enough. Easy installation. Scratch-resistant coating film. Various shades available. Heat rejection and color stability. No radio signal interference. Wet or dry shrinkability. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Truline Automotive Computer Customized Pre-Cut Window Tint Kit. A quality choice from a top-grade brand, the Truline Automotive tints don't disappoint. These are pretty adjustable and customizable upon order from the manufacturer. You can choose whether you want to work on all the windows, just the rear, side, or front side tints, or a combination. Depending on the year and or model of your car, Truline can cater for all your tinting needs. Be aware, however, that kits for older cars may not be available. Like a number of the other good brands offering pre-cut window tint, you have a choice of 4 shades to select from depending on your needs. So, whether you're looking for a subtle or a heavier shade, there's a suitable option for everybody. It also does a very good job against sun damage, as it protects and blocks up to 99% of ultraviolet rays. Each of these pieces have excess film surrounding them, which makes for adequate protection in transit and storage. This needs to be removed before fitting, but leave on the protective backing which comes off when you're ready to make the final fit. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is JNK Networks Real Precut Tint Film. This JNK Networks set comes pre-cut for your vehicle's specific make, model, and year. It covers all the windows around your car, including the back windshield, with a film that has a 5%, 25%, or 30% tint. JNK Networks strives to make the application process as easy as possible. The company sends detailed instructions with your set and is available at any time for additional questions. Our product review team likes it that this is one of the more highly reviewed pre-cut tints at the $50 price point. However, we placed this one farther down in our review because the material may be more difficult to work with. On the plus side, reviews from consumers report efficient customer service. Choice of 5, 25, or 30% tint. Pre-cut. All windows plus back windshield set. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.